Hi guys, thanks for joining this demo session by 𝗖𝑠𝑉�TechSoft on Salesforce Data Cloud. My name is Harshit and I'll be your instructor on Salesforce Data Cloud. I am 7X certified Salesforce consultant having experience on Salesforce Marketing Cloud, marketing automation, personalization and data cloud consulting. So guys, today we have gathered here to understand brief about this new technology which is booming in the market, which is known as data cloud. We'll try to have a healthy discussion on why this technology is there, what is the use case of this technology, how companies are using this technology, in which capacity it is being used. Some of the use cases we will discuss to understand how well this technology is being implemented in industries, and will answer some of the questions which you might have at the end of the session. So this session is an interactive session where we will just be seeing overview of this technology, not go into practicals. For that, we have already planned our training program. So guys, whatever questions you have in your mind regarding the training, you can ask in the end of this session. So again, warm welcome to this demo session on Data Cloud. This is best in class first training which we are going to host in India. We are the first training provider around Data Cloud. We provide Data Cloud access, premium access as well. So everything you will get along with training. So let's start, guys. So guys, Data Cloud has become an integral part of Salesforce ecosystem. Salesforce already know is the world's best CRM. Salesforce provides business solutions around all the business use cases. When you say sales, service, marketing, commerce, industries, you have one or the other cloud solving business use cases, which is procured by Salesforce. You already have Salesforce CRM, which is sales and service cloud. Then Salesforce has marketing cloud for marketing automation. It has commerce cloud. It has Tableau, Einstein Analytics for reporting and analytics purposes. It has Industries, Omni Studio, Velocity, CPQs for solving business industry problems. But guys, the problem was the customer data is distributed into multiple different platforms. Though it is only the Salesforce ecosystem, but still there were different platforms. For sales and service cloud, we have a single platform. For marketing cloud, we have a single platform. For Tableau, we have another platform. For industries, we have another platform. Though Salesforce tried to come up with some of the connectors to provide connectivity between these platforms, but those connectors were having, or you can say are having, limited use cases only. There was a need to have a centralized data repository kind of thing, or you can say a centralized platform which can host all the 360 customer data. It is important to have 360 customer data stored into a single platform because you have to take insights from that data. You have to understand each and every activity on the go around the customer. What product he has purchased, what services he has enrolled, what are the marketing programs he has been enrolling in, what are the trend he has been enrolled, the analytics thing. The customer data can be also present in non-Salesforce ecosystems. Like the customer data can be present in SAP platforms, financial platforms we have. The customer data can be present in databases. The customer data can be present in third-party platforms like Google Analytics, Facebook, you know, a lot of different platforms we have which we use to market products and services to customer. The customer data can be present in any other CRM platform or any other platform which company is using, which is non-Salesforce. So when you say a big implementation inside a big enterprise, the companies not only rely on Salesforce ecosystem. Salesforce is a CRM. It provides CRM capabilities, but there are other platforms also which companies require for handling customer data. For example, they have to promote products and services on Facebook. They have Facebook Business Suite. They are promoting advertisements on Google, YouTube. They have Google business platforms. They are handling some financial data about a customer. They will have financial clouds. They want to understand, they want to deep dive into customer data, or you can say they want to store highly critical data about the customer. They would be having databases like MySQL servers, or you can say Power BIs. Salesforce is not capable to store millions and billions of rows about a customer. It is a CRM platform which can be used to store sales, service, marketing, commerce, industries related data. But there are some kind of data which is huge in volume, for which Salesforce is not a suitable platform. The data might be stored into another platform like Power BI or any other analytics platform. So the summary of the discussion is customer data can be present anywhere. When you are a big enterprise, the customer data would be distributed not only in Salesforce ecosystem, but outside Salesforce ecosystem as well. And to get an overview of 360-degree customer data at one place, there was no such capability available. You want to have customer data stored at a single place so that you can gain insight. You can work on data science for that customer to get valuable outputs. Suppose if I have all your data at one place, whether it is present in Salesforce ecosystem or non-Salesforce ecosystem, I can definitely take a value out of that data. I can understand what all behaviors you are showing on different platforms. I can come up with nice strategy to cross-sell, upsell different products and services based on your past behaviors. I can work on recommendations. I can make my service more personalized for you. If I understand each and every kind of data you have, ultimately companies are doing business. They want to understand customers better and better every day. They want to predict, read each and every type of customer data and take valuable insights. Whether customer data is present in Salesforce CRM platforms or any other platforms, those data is valuable if we can take insight from that data. The insight we want to take to better our service. We want to sell you different other products. We want to improve our service qualities. We want to take more and more, generate more and more revenue from the customer. We want to come with innovative different approaches which may help you to get more revenue from the customer, to make your customers happy, to provide pleasant customer experience. So a lot of different factors will be evolved if you have customer 360-degree data at a single place. And hence, to solve that problem, Salesforce came up with data cloud concept. What is a data cloud? A data cloud is a data science platform which connects with Salesforce ecosystems and non-Salesforce platforms. Get customer data at a single place. And once you get the customer data at the single place, you can have different site, different types of operations performed. Now, guys, there are some platforms which will help you get customer data from different places. For example, Power BI is a platform which is an analytical platform. It can connect with multiple different data sources and get customer data. Whether you have data in Salesforce ecosystem or non-Salesforce ecosystem, Power BI can help you get that data. But there are limited capabilities of Power BI. The capabilities offered by Power BI is only analytics, reporting and analytics. Companies read those customer data to understand what is how the customer is behaving. They want to take report out of trends customer went through, but they cannot go ahead with that data. Suppose you want to act on data.
then Power BI will not have any functionality to act on that data. Power BI will always have data coming in non-real-time flows. You want to get data in real-time flows and then you have to act on that data. Now take an example. Take an example. You purchased something from a physical store. Suppose you went to a physical store of McDonald's. You made a purchase, you paid money to McDonald's physical store. Now, the moment you paid money to McDonald's physical store, McDonald's system predicted everything and sent you a push notification if you have their app installed. McDonald's predicted your behavior and sent you a push notification on the app you have installed. Now you made transactions physically, but the details you are receiving via push notification. So now there are different systems involved. McDonald's would have a physical system on which their billing happened. McDonald's also have their application, which can be Android or iOS application, which is in sync with that physical platform on which you paid your bill. Now, technically, all platforms are different. Their apps are on different platforms, their physical softwares are on different platforms, but they are into sync with each other. That sync happened to improve customer experience about McDonald's. The moment you purchased, real-time data synced, the application sent you push notification, greeted you for purchasing a product or service, gave you some coupons and discounts for your next order, motivated you to revisit McDonald's at next time with certain coupons and claim it. So guys, not here you can understand that not only data is coming, but that data is being utilized for actions as well. Data is coming from physical store to a centralized repository. From that centralized repository, an action is taking place like send push notification, send SMS, and you can say that the 360 customer data is valued here. Not only the purchase was done, purchase can be happened if sales if if McDonald's have Salesforce CRM implemented, the purchase can happen on Sales Cloud. Payment can be happened on using Commerce Cloud. Okay, the push notification was sent by Marketing Cloud. So there are multiple different clouds involved here. There are multiple different clouds involved here. So now what Data Cloud does? Data Clouds can get data real time from their physical platforms, can act on that data, activate that data to Marketing Cloud to send push notifications and engage another dialogue with the customer. So guys, Data Cloud, what I mean to say is not only used to store data like platforms like Power BI and show reporting trends, but it is also an intelligent AI enabled platform which will help you act on that data very quickly. Which will help you act on data very quickly. Now, guys, take another example of a different company. You are working for a company, suppose it is an energy company. Energy company like the companies which are into petroleum business, diesel business. Now, these petrols, diesels are sold on physical stations, gas stations. You go with your car, with your bike, you get your data, you get your vehicles refueled. Once you get your vehicles refueled, you make some transactions. Now the volume of transaction you have or a gas station or petrol pump have every day would be huge. That data is technically not possible to be stored in its Salesforce because every day millions of transactional rows are being saved. Millions of people are coming refueling. Salesforce is not that capable to handle that huge number of transactions. So definitely you require another platform to store the transactional data. Now, suppose you are an active subscriber of that company. You have some refueling credit cards as well issued by that company. So those credit cards, sales, service data would be stored in CRM. The transactions you are doing on their gas stations would be stored into a powerful database. The sales service you are getting from that company would be stored in CRM. The company is using Marketing Cloud to motivate you to come back to their gas stations and avail different offers. They are sending you emails, SMS, push notifications to keep their brand identity available in your eyes, so that next time also you come to their platform and get your services done. So guys, here you see 4 different platforms are involved. The transactions are happening and those billions of rows of transactions are getting stored in a database. Now you have their credit cards as well. You are a subscription member of that company. You avail services as well, like bike servicing, car servicing. You are an active account to that company. Your data for that service account, sales and purchase would be stored in Salesforce CRM, Sales and Service Cloud. The company is using Marketing Cloud to promote products and services. Now, guys, there are 4 different platforms. Tomorrow, the company invented a different type of fuel, which is not, which provides less harm to environment. But that fuel is expensive. That fuel is expensive because it provides less harm to environment. Technological innovation is involved. So it is expensive fuel. Now companies wants to sell that fuel to certain group of audience. They have to identify which set of audience they can promote that biodegradable fuel. So what they have to do, they have to understand customers' transactions. In an year, a customer has transacted on how much amount. If they feel that the customer transaction data is huge in an year, they might be having capacity to buy this expensive product. We can motivate them that you are buying this much gallons of fuels every year. It will make sense if you switch to biodegradable products, though they are expensive, but as per your annual fuel consumption, the environmental damage is huge. If you pay some extra money, if you are environmental cautious, you can bring down the pollution generated every year by your vehicles to down to 20-30%. So they have to build customer segments. They have to understand customers' transactional data first to understand their buying capacity every year. That data is present in databases. Now, they also have to understand if that customer is active subscriber of their company services. Like that customer has the company's credit card. That customer, enrolls into bike car servicing. How frequently they come for bike car servicing? Is that customer enrolled into our loyalty program? Then customer also understand. Then they also have to understand if this customer is actively involved in our marketing communications. Is that customer understanding what all communications we are trying to send him? Is that customer reading that? Is that customer has shown any interest on biodegradable products based on our previous marketing communications? So guys, here companies want to build customer segments. That customer segment would require data from transactions which happened on physical stations, would require data from sales service cloud, would require data from marketing cloud, would require data from their websites, because they want to understand if that customer has buying capacity or not, if that customer had valid credit cards to support their buying capacity, if that customer is educated well enough through marketing communications about the new innovative product which can reduce the emissions. So a lot of different data they require to build customer segment to cross sell. You can say cross sell different products. They want to identify opportunities to cross sell different products innovative products to certain segments of customer. Now, as this data is distributed into multiple different platforms, it would be very difficult for them to build this customer segment. But with the help of data cloud, they can get that data at a single place and build customer segments. Once they build customer segments, their work is not limited to just building customer segments. Data cloud is not a traditional analytics platform that will give you only insights, but will help you act on that data. Once you build customer segments, you want to create opportunities in Sales Cloud for your sales team to call those customers and educate about new product which has come up and their benefits, the discounts they are running, and how they can motivate customer to come back to their fueling station and try that new product. So they want to create a Sales Cloud opportunity on the customer segments which got created. They want to send marketing communications from Marketing Cloud. They want to send emails, SMS, push notifications from journeys. They want to act on that data as well. They want to trigger a flow to create opportunity in Sales Cloud. They want to trigger SMS emails to educate about that new product using marketing communication. So not only Data Cloud helps you build customer segments intelligently, but Data Cloud also helps you act on that data quickly. You can receive data in real time and both non-real time and can act on that customer data. That is the benefit of Data Cloud, which not only helps you integrate multiple different data sources, helps data bring at a single platform and build customer segments. The more Data Cloud use cases would be once you build customer segments, how you can act on that data. So guys, you can see this diagram. There will be multiple different data sources in Data Cloud. You can connect all the data sources, whether it is a Salesforce ecosystem or non-Salesforce ecosystem. You can get data using CRM connections. You can get data from third-party storages like Amazon S3 bucket, Google Cloud Storage, Microsoft Azure Storage. You can get data via API calls. You can connect that data. You can connect that data to Data Cloud. And once you connect that data, you have an option to harmonize that data. Harmonizing that data means taking meaning out of that data. You can build customer segments. Customer segments can be of multiple criterias. Now, when you are just using Sales and Service Cloud, you can build a report on the data available in Sales and Service Cloud. You are using Marketing Cloud, you can create a data view, data present in Marketing Cloud or any connected source. But in Data Cloud, you build customer segments on data present in multiple different systems. So it gives you an elaborative functionality to create segments from multiple different system data at a single place. You create data models, you harmonize that data. Once you harmonize that data, you have options to analyze, predict, and act. Analyze, predict, and act are the core competency of Data Cloud, which is best in class competency, which is not provided in any other platform. You have AI prediction models in Data Cloud. You have analytics and insights on that Data Cloud. Whatever insights and AI predictions generated on that data, you can act, like you can trigger flows in Sales Cloud. You can create opportunities or whatever you want to do. You can activate that data to other platforms for marketing communications or any other communications you want to do. Once you cook that data inside Data Cloud, you have final set of segmented data. You can do whatever you want. That segmented data, you need to send push notifications. That segmented data, you want to create opportunities for your sales team to cross-sell, upsell. You want to trigger any flow. You want to do any sort of action. We will see with a lot of use cases that what all this segmented data can be, where all this segmented data can be used in actions. So data cloud is all about analysis, prediction, and actions. Now guys, how data cloud looks? How data cloud looks? This is how the data cloud will look. It is a package which is installed inside a Salesforce ecosystem, not free, but is a managed package which is installed inside a Salesforce ecosystem. And these are the menus of data cloud. You can connect data cloud with multiple different source systems all together. For example, data cloud has its own data cloud setup. Data cloud setup can help you get data from multiple platforms like B2C commerce, Salesforce Marketing Cloud, Salesforce CRM, other websites and mobile applications, third-party custom ingestion APIs, Salesforce personalization, which was formerly known as Interaction Studio, external activation platforms, different external activation platforms like you run ads on Amazon, Google, LinkedIn, Facebook, Snapchat, Google Display, Video 360. Here all your customer data are present. You can be having different databases, systems where your customer data is present. You can have multiple different connectors to connect that customer data like Amazon S3, Google BigQuery, Google Cloud Storage, Azure Blob Storage, SFTPs. So data cloud has provided several different ways. Data cloud has provided several different ways to get that data to data cloud ecosystem. Now guys, one thing you have to note is data cloud is a place of reference.
Harshit,
Is
sorry to
not the
interrupt.
place
Your
where data
battery will.
would be actually physically stored. Data cloud is a place of reference, is not a place where data will be actually stored. That means data cloud helps build different data streams. Data cloud helps build different data streams. Data streams means incoming data from multiple different source systems. You want to get data from Sales Cloud, you want to get data from Service Cloud, you want to get data from Marketing Cloud. Not only single Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, a big company can have multiple different Salesforce CRMs. A company has multiple different work streams. A company suppose has 5 to 6 different work streams. Suppose you take Tata company. Tata is a prestigious renowned brand in India. Now they have multiple business units, product and services lines. Tata Motors is one unit, Tanishq is one unit, Fast Track is one unit, Tata Steel is one unit, Tata Power is another unit, right? Tata Elxsi is another unit. Tata is also into financial services. Tata is wherever it is. So each and every business units will have different Salesforce orgs. For Tanishq, it will have a different org altogether. For Tata Motors, it will have a different org altogether. So a single customer can be a customer of Tata's multiple product streams. A single customer can purchase Tata Motors car, but a single customer can also go and purchase Tata jewelries from Tanishq. A single customer can be also a subscriber of the financial services. A single customer can enroll multiple different Tata's services. So it is genuinely so that customer is present in multiple different Salesforce orgs hosted by Tata. It is important to understand where all customer is present, what all he has purchased. We are a big enterprise. We want to understand 360 degree of a customer's data. That is the new way companies wants to move forward. Earlier, there are multiple different platforms. The customer's 360 view was lost. Though these platforms helped us manage a lot of things, but there was no centralized repository kind of thing. So Salesforce Data Cloud would help you connect multiple Salesforce instances. Salesforce Data Cloud would help you to connect multiple Salesforce instances. For example, this is the demo account where I have connected 2 different Salesforce instances, or you can say 3 different Salesforce instances. You can connect multiple Salesforce instances with Data Cloud. One is people whose Data Cloud, one is a practice account which I created, one is the 𝑣Collab. So 3 different streams are enabled from 3 different sales and service cloud data sources to get customer data into a single platform. Now, to get customer data into a single platform, we build data streams. Data streams are the connections you establish with multiple different source systems. Data streams help you set up a connection to bring data to Data Cloud. But Data Cloud would not be actually storing that data. It is the beauty of Data Cloud. The Data Cloud is a place of reference, is not the place of records. That means data would not be physically stored, but would be creating a reference of that data. So there is no big load on Data Cloud to store or increase data storages. Data Cloud, Salesforce takes bill on Data Cloud only on the operations you perform. So Data Cloud is a GDPR compliant platform. It won't store any data, but it creates references to every data which you connect using multiple different data streams. So you can establish multiple different data streams from multiple different Salesforce CRMs websites. You have a lot of different connectors to almost connect any kind of customer platform present in this world. You want to connect Tableau, Twilio, Slack, Shopify, SFTP connections, Workday connections, Viva CRM connections. Okay, you want to connect SAP systems, you want to connect QuickBooks, you want to connect NetSuite, Microsoft platforms, you want to connect each and every platform. You see the importance of Data Cloud, guys. This is going to change the industry forever, because this is the most powerful platform Salesforce has generated till date. They have a lot of business solutions, but was not having any solution of this class. This can connect with almost every platform. You name that platform, you would be able to connect. Amazon Lambda platforms, Amazon S3 bucket platforms, Azure platforms, okay, Dropbox, FTP, Gmail, even Google BigQueries, Google Sheets, wherever your customer is present. In Sheets also it is present. It can be integrated with Data Cloud. Once you establish data streams, that data reference would be created. Data stream data comes into data lake objects. Data lake objects are the metadata of a data stream. Metadata means a stream schema structure. Data lake objects are the metadata of the data stream. What all metadata is present can be obtained using data lake object. Once you get data lake object, you can map that data to a data model object. We will understand everything in detail. I am just showing you capabilities. Data models are the local data models inside Data Cloud. You can connect multiple different data streams and get that data into a single data model. For example, we had 3 different Salesforce CRM connections. Now those 3 different Salesforce CRM connections are mapping data to a single data model object of a Data Cloud. That is the beauty of a Data Cloud. That means you can connect multiple data sources to a single data model. Data models you create inside Data Cloud based on your own use cases. A single data model can be connected to multiple metadatas like data lake objects. So you have a lot of functionalities to create your own data models, connect your own data streams, bring your own customer data. Once you have all those customer data, guys, you have a lot of different functionalities. You have segments. The most important part of Data Cloud is segments. Once you create data streams from multiple different data sources, some data is coming from Microsoft systems, some data is coming from Facebook, Google advertisements, some data is coming from Salesforce Marketing Cloud, Some data is coming from Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Commerce Cloud, CPQs. Some data is coming from Amazon S3 buckets. Some data you have locally stored in SFTP files. Some data you have stored on Google Sheets. Every kind of data can be integrated, and then you have to take valuable insight from that data. The valuable insight from that data can be generated by building segments. Now this segment is a cross-platform segment, not a simple filter criteria, but this segment data you will create on data available more than 5-10 different platforms. So this segment can be applied on data models you create. Now this data model is actually containing data from multiple different data sources. So when I was telling you a use case that I have to understand how many people have annual transaction capacity, how many people have credit cards, how many people have subscriptions enabled, how many people have enrolled into our marketing communications. All this data we will be getting from segments by integrating different work streams. Once you get that data into segments, you can get a final set of segmented data that this is my data whom I have to cross sell different products. Once I get segmented data, I have activations. Once I have the final set of data available, I have activations. These activations can be performed on any other platform. Once you have that segmented data, you want to send that data to Sales Cloud, you want to send that data to Marketing Cloud, you want to send that data to any other platform, you have activations to activate that data. Data activation is important because once you harmonize that data, you have to act on that data. So there will be multiple use cases. Some companies want to send real-time push notifications. Some companies want to send SMS emails. Some companies want to create opportunities task in Sales Cloud. Some companies want to notify their account managers to act on that data. Lot of different activation opportunities would be available from Data Cloud, which you can act. Now, Data Cloud is also having one important concept which is known as identity resolution, which can be termed as data unification concept. Data unification, guys, one important problem was there with each and every customer inside Salesforce ecosystem. The important question was there for every customer in each and every Salesforce ecosystem. I have my database, I have my Salesforce SFDC CRM, I have my this platform, that platform. Everywhere my customer is present with different subscriber keys, customer keys, unique IDs. How I can understand, merge and unify every data, right? I have a database. Now take the example of Tata only, which I told. Tata has 3 different Salesforce orgs. Tata has 3 different Salesforce orgs. Suppose you are a contact. You are a contact of Tata Motors as well. You are a contact of Tanishq as well. You are a contact of Titan I Plus, TCS. You are a contact enrolled into multiple different Tata services. Now each and every product line, service line will have a different org. That means you are single customer got created into 4 to 5 different Tata orgs. Now 4 and 5 different Tata orgs would have different contact IDs, but you are a single customer. You have 5 different contact IDs because you are present in 5 different Tata's orgs with 5 different contact IDs. Technically, you have a same email address, you are a same person, you have a same name, you have a same age, you are a same gender. But in Tata's ecosystem, you are treated as 5 different customers. How to unify that data? You have 5 different keys altogether, but Tata wants to treat you in a single entity to understand where all your data is present. Until and unless they unify you into a single entity, they cannot understand all your customer behaviors. So Data Cloud also provides a very powerful, best-in-class and unique capability of data unification. That data unification would help you or you can say your company to merge contacts having different keys but all together same contacts into a single entity. Because until and unless you don't unify that data into a single entity, you cannot take maximum output from that data. So data cloud is a very powerful platform, guys. We will be keep on telling that capabilities of data cloud as we are into limited 40 minutes of session. That was all what I wanted to tell about data cloud as of now. It has a lot of functionalities which we will come up inside our training program and would be a very interactive session. People who are aspiring to become data cloud, who want architects, people who want to get good hike in your companies or want to look or looking for switch, people who are already working on marketing cloud, this data cloud would help you in lot of ways. It is a very hot skill in market. Not only it will help you get high paying jobs, but it would truly boost your career, because this is a new technology, is booming, has become integral part of Salesforce ecosystem, has now evolved as a data science platform, and companies are aggressively adopting this platform because this data cloud has solved various challenges of companies, from bringing customer 360 data into a single place to unification, harmonization of data, action on harmonized data, segmentations of data from cross-platform data sources. It has solved a lot of business problems, and companies are aggressively behind data cloud, and it has become a very hot skill in the market. So if you are planning, 𝗖𝑠vTechSoft and I have together partnered to bring a new session, training session on data cloud. We are the best Salesforce training platform in India, and hopefully we will be providing best in class data cloud training for your success. Thanks guys. I will wrap up now and I will open my open your mics. Please open your mics for your questions and answers.
Hey, hi Harshit, good morning. Does this also involve
morning.
LWC and Apex in data cloud?
Sorry?
Hello?
Uh,
Hello, can you hear me?
yes.
Yeah, so I just would like to know that the Apex and LWC also, part of this data cloud?
No, data cloud is a different platform. Apex, LWC are not part. There will be no programming involved, only SQL involved.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, Harsh, Piyush this side. So, through this data cloud training, will we able to connect sales cloud data and CPQ org data into single data cloud org?
Yeah, definitely that usage we will see.
Okay, and as part of this training, so just want to understand from connectors standpoint.
Means what you want to understand? Any questions, guys?
Hey Harshit, this is
Hello.
Janardhan.
Hi.
So I have a question. So data cloud should be combination of with any other cloud, or if you want to learn data cloud, what should be the combination, like marketing cloud or any other combination is needed to be
We will
get
be
an offer?
working on use cases from sales, service, and marketing cloud on data cloud.
So it should be combination of any other cloud, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what would be the best option? Like it should be combination with marketing cloud or data cloud would be the best option, or sales
Data
cloud or
cloud
service?
will be best option if you already know marketing cloud, sales, and service cloud.
Okay, I know sales and service cloud, but okay, yes, marketing cloud also better. Okay, got it.
Yeah, anything. See, data cloud is not, a marketing cloud platform. Okay, but one or two use cases we will see. But sales and service cloud use cases also we will see. Later, when you know Marketing Cloud, you can connect your data. You don't have to understand Marketing Cloud. You just have to understand what kind of data Marketing Cloud has. Okay. Basically, you will be working on Data Cloud only. What all functionalities we have in Data Cloud, we will be working to understand these functionalities, not Marketing Cloud. One data stream we will build with Marketing Cloud to understand what kind of marketing data we can work with.
Okay. It's not mandatory to know all other clouds,
No, it
right?
is
That's
not
what you're saying.
mandatory. No.
Okay, got you.
In my use case, I will cover.
Hi, do we need to write the SQL queries as well here?
Please say loudly.
Do we need to write the SQL queries as well here?
Yeah, we have a concept called calculated insights.
Okay.
Okay, the calculated insights are nothing but SQL queries which you build on Data Cloud data model objects. Okay.
Okay.
It is not a normal SQL or some twisted kind of SQL which gives you aggregate values. So we will understand the concept of calculated insights. Also, we have query editor in Data Cloud, which we will work to query that data.
Okay, once we create the data streams, it will automatically execute, or we need to schedule these data streams?
Once you create SQL, then
Data streams where we are like extracting the data from the different source systems, right?
data stream, yeah.
Yeah, it will automatically extract the data, or we need to manually schedule these data streams
No, data streams are refreshed automatically.
automatically. Okay. Okay, thank you.
But just building data stream won't help you bring that data. You have to build and map that stream to a data lake object and data lake object to a DMO. Once you perform mapping to DMO, then it will bring that data. We'll look into training program.
Okay, thank you.
Any more questions, guys?
Piyush, this side actually, due to power failure, I was dropped
Your
out.
voice is a bit
Just
low.
want to understand from you, yeah, is it better now?
It is still very low.
Is it better?
Yeah.
Just give me one. It's better.
Any more questions, guys?
Can we do practice on this on trial account, or how it works?
No, it is not a trial account. Guys, in trial account, you don't get setup option. Okay, this is enterprise enabled account, licensed account, for which we already paying to Salesforce a lot of money. And we have an option to connect multiple different streams. Trial account is just for 5 days. This you will get for 3 months. This is the enterprise account. In trial account, not all the functionalities are enabled, but this has everything enabled. So you require this to start connections and work on a lot of different functionalities.
Hello, Harsh.
Short question, class timing. Thanks for session. So class timings would be decided once you guys enroll. We'll come up with a common preferred time. Like I cannot commit now. Some people are from outside India. Some people are Indians from India. So we have to come up with a common time. Please do register, and then we'll come up with common voting program to decide a common time for class. If people cannot be adjusted into a single class, we'll take in 2 batches. So don't worry, just register. We have to acquire data cloud licenses as well. So the sooner you register, the sooner we'll start the class. You have enroll link button here, guys. Please do enroll here.
Hello, Harsh.
Maximum it would be starting in a week. Okay. Maybe by next Monday we can start.
Hello.
Yeah.
Harsh, I have one question. So let's suppose if I go to naukri.com and On the job filter, if I search, do I need to search with the CDP or data cloud?
Data cloud.
Okay.
Guys, every skill has a boom time, okay? It is not that I am telling you just to sell my training. It is an honest thing which I am telling you. 7 years back, Marketing Cloud was at boom, or you can say was a newly enabled platform. I learned that Marketing Cloud, and since 7 years I am working on that platform. That platform has reached peak now. Every year Marketing Cloud grew, and every year I also grew my career along with that platform. Now the growth in Marketing Cloud is stagnant. Lots of competitions have come. Lots of people understand Marketing Cloud. The interviews have become complex, and pay packages have come down. Now the same thing is happening with Data Cloud. Data Cloud has started to boom. Now Salesforce is aggressively innovating this platform. Every 2-3 months, you will see new tab added to Data Cloud, new feature coming. It will go along for next 4-5 years. It would be on upward trajectory. Not many people know about Data Cloud, but you can understand the importance of this platform. Because if you are here, you already know that this is into a hype nowadays. So the sooner you learn, you will grow with innovations of Data Cloud. Data Cloud will grow, you will also grow. After 4-5 years, Data Cloud will reach at its peak. Till that time, you will be able to create your nice career. If you might already be having a nice career, but there is always need for extra. That extra you want to get quickly, you can learn Data Cloud. Because the peak has not yet come. Like in Salesforce CRM Sales Service Cloud, peak has come. Okay, very less innovations are happening. In Marketing Cloud, peak has come. Very less innovations are happening. What are the platforms where peak is yet to come? Data Cloud, Personalization Studio. These are some of the Salesforce ecosystems or platforms where peak is yet to come. These are just trailers. Okay, next 4-5 years, Salesforce will be aggressively building. They will be only marketing these platforms. They will be only acquiring customers. You just have to learn and go with the flow. The Data Cloud will grow. You all guys will also grow. Don't think about small investment, but as it has not obtained its peak, definitely it will help your career a lot. It is with my experience I'm telling. Any more questions, guys? Okay, guys, then we'll wrap up and we'll meet into our live training program on Data Cloud soon. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you everyone for joining today's session. Thank you.